Good evening, everyone. Happy Thursday night. We just finished up doing a demo in our org group where we were sharing all the new products that just launched this month. In January, if you can believe it's already the 9th. It's just speeding by. And my job on the demoing was making some yummy pesto. It's our new super greens pesto. You can use any type of greens that you want. I use spinach and kale, but you could use broccoli, cauliflower, whatever you might like. Swiss chard, something, arugula, anything you might want. You need 4 cups of that. The package here, a cup of olive oil. I use grapeseed or avocado, whatever you might want to use. And then a 1/4 cup of unsalted seeds, nuts, whatever you might want to use. I use pumpkin seeds. And I made it all up, and then I've got, because it makes 2 cups worth, I got 1/2 cup in each one of our cool freezer cubes here. If you've ever used our freezer cubes, these are awesome. So literally freeze it, pop it out, and quickly make a meal for my husband and I. Tomorrow I'll actually have one of them because we're going to throw some into some Alfredo and make some fun, big, fancy pasta. Because they're cool, but you can do whatever you want. It doesn't have to be pasta at all, of course. And if you're curious of what's in here, it's not vegan. It does already have Parmesan cheese in it. So Parmesan cheese, sea salt, organic lemon powder, basil, garlic, black pepper, and there you go. And if you are someone who doesn't like leftovers, you can make as little as you want and then put it into a jar, which I had already put away. And then just use as little or as much as you want. I'm just squishing my sticker. Label them. And then you can do that. So that is one of our new flavors. But before I get into that, I'm going to do some unboxing. I got our Epicbox today. Look at that. It comes with a cool recipe card. This one is the steamer honey garlic salmon and veggies. So that means it's using a honey garlic seasoning, which I was actually really wanting. So I'm glad it's there. It does come with one of our new flavors, the skillet lasagna, which is a fan favorite. Every person I've talked to loves it. We've already eaten it and we can't wait to make it this weekend because it's so good. So just on that note, I am having an open house on Sunday. If you want to come try some skillet lasagna, some beef. Something else I'm making. Best ever chili. I'm going to be making this vegan or vegetarian at least. And then some other things. But the Epicbox also comes with mac and cheese, my favorite for putting on popcorn, cheeseburger pasta, rotisserie chicken. This is amazing. Have you ever made a full chicken in one of our steamers yet? Because you totally have to do that. We love doing it in the round steamer. As you can see, I have 2. Toss in like a 3-pound chicken, the seasonings in the microwave, 20-25 minutes. You're good. You can tear it all apart and make your salads and sandwiches and stuff with it. Or if you want, you can roast it up for another 5-10 minutes in the oven to get them browning. But we challenge you to do that because seriously, it's so good. And it's like so much less sodium than buying it store-bought. And at least then you have it when you're ready, right? When you want to meal prep, want to plan, you do one of those and you're set for the week. There's the honey garlic meatballs. So delicious. It, of course, comes with a dessert. Our sweet banana bread, so awesome. And it comes with a jar, our SPG, salt, pepper, and garlic. And this one is like a staple. You throw this on your counter or whatever on your table and you toss it on to whatever it is you're having, and it's already all mixed up. So that's our Epicbox for January, so super cool. If you're curious about the Epicbox, I totally say grab it. Give it a try because there's no commitment. You can pause it, you can cancel it, you can ship it around. I ship it off as gifts all the time because it's perfect. I can change the address every month and ship it to one person, ship it to another. I obviously get one myself, which is a lot of fun because you get to try new things. So example, the pesto and the, was it the beef stew? Oh no, the best ever chili. These 2 particular items were already in our Epicboxes earlier this year. We all get to try it. Who gets the Epicbox, give our feedback, and if it's popular, they put it into the catalog. So here we are with it. So that's how cool the Epicbox is. And because it's a new season, you actually get a new product in the Epicbox, which is the skillet lasagna. So there you go. Just a quick little, that's our Epicbox. Totally say grab one of those. It comes every month. Shipping's included. You don't need to worry about that. As I said, you can ship it around and it arrives within a few days of the new month, and then you're set for a bunch of meals. Your plan's already there. You just use your regular vegetables and protein that you've got in your fridge or your freezer, and then away you go. And if you need help on that, I'm here to help you with any of that. If you're like, what do you mean you can use your regular vegetables and protein? Please let me help you with that. You don't have to follow exactly what it says on the back. By the way, all of our packages have instructions, but if you need help on changing that up, swapping out things, changing different types of protein, different types of vegetables, carbs, whatever it might be, feel free to reach out. That's one of the things I do. We just kind of throw things around and play with it until we kind of find what works well for us. But you have your own taste buds, so whatever your favorite protein is, we'll pretty much work with these. And that's the cool thing, because they're just seasonings that you can go ahead and play with. And just a quick little other ones, lemon poppy seed and jalapeno poppers are another one of our 2 flavors. All right, thanks so much for hopping on. Thank you, Alice, Karen, and everyone that joined in. So happy you're liking your Epic boxes. They are awesome. All right, that's it. Have a great Thursday night. Reach out if you need help with meal prepping, planning, about the Epic box, about coming to my open house on Sunday, about maybe being your own ambassador. That would be awesome too, because trust me, I get paid to eat and talk about food. It's really cool. Come join me.